Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Pokemon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign out of your Pokemon account, once you're inside the game, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom. From the several menu appearing on the screen, tap on the settings button at the top right. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a sign out button right next to change nickname. Give it a tap and tap on yes in order to confirm signing out of your Pokemon account. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. That's how you can easily sign out of your Pokemon Go account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.